boys. Have fun.
Oh, that's so. That's unique.
No.
It feels like homemade. It does feel really homemade.
Nah. Above the water?
That's nuts.
I don't like that.
Keep in mind, it's the same height we're gonna drop down to the net too.
Is this it?
Oh, that's it?
Bro, it goes higher. Well, at least the net will catch us.
Fair enough.
This is actually, this is the scariest view.
This one's nutty.
I kind of agree.
This one's very nutty. Still going up, huh?
I don't like it.
They're just
I like
gonna yell at
her
us
at the
from down there to go.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
Oh, we're pretty up here. Oh no.
What? Pull it. All right, man. Should we do a countdown?
He's doing it.
Oh no. No.
Bro, we're right by the tree.
I don't like it. I love it.
I'll do it one more time. Oh, he's gonna catch us.
Oh, he's gonna catch us.
Yeah. Oh, that's the best part.
Blew up. My boy took flight.
The best part was like the launch at the beginning that takes you back.
Yeah.
How's that, boys?